Hi Robert, my name is Michael Doolali, here with Tameron Hyundai, and I'm your personal VIP consultant. Thank you so much for inquiring about the 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now, you did not specify a particular package or trim color. However, as you can see, we have plenty on the lot to choose from. Whatever color or package that you are in need of or looking for, we have it here on the lot. Now, the thing I'd like to share with you very simple is that, as you may or may not know, our 2018s are starting to roll in, and we'll have a limited supply of 2017s, and we're looking to get rid of the 2017s very quickly, so they're actually priced to sell. Now, the Santa Fe comes with a variety of different options, all the way from backup cameras, leather seating, sunroof, and dual climate control, and many other features. Matter of fact, too many features to talk about in this particular video. So what I like to do very simply is for you to pick up the phone and give me a call so we can sit down, set up an appointment, sit down and talk about what exactly you're looking for in your Santa Fe. Now, the best thing about purchasing a vehicle from us here at Tameron Hyundai is that it comes with America's Best Warranty, which includes a 5-year or 60,000-mile new vehicle warranty, a 5-year unlimited roadside assistance warranty, a 7-year anti-corrosion warranty, and a 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. However, Robert, here at Tameron Hyundai, we would double that to 20 years or 200,000 miles on a powertrain warranty. Now, what I'd like for you to do right now is stop what you're doing, pick up the phone and give me a call at 205-380-6250 so that we can set up a time for you to come in to test drive one of these beautiful vehicles. Once again, the telephone number is 205-380-6250. My name is Michael Doolali. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Take care for now.